What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Queen. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe, like, hit that bell so you can get all the notifications of my new videos. But as you can see from the title, you already know what kind of video this is gonna be. I haven't done a hair tutorial video in like forever, but I'm about to attempt to do this hairstyle, so y'all wish me luck, cause I'm gonna be so upset if it don't come out how I want. But let's get into the video. So first things first, you need to brush out your hair thoroughly and brush it. But yeah, y'all want for me to sit in here. This is not it. This is not it at all. I need to do my hair. This gotta go like. So I'm gonna get back at y'all after I blow dry my hair. I like doing that little hand thing. I'm sorry, but this is some really good oil. It's really been making my hair grow a lot. So I'm just putting this on there before I blow dry my hair. So y'all, I'm back. It didn't take as long as it usually takes, so now what I'm about to do is flat iron my hair, my whole head, like. Okay, so y'all, I'm done flat ironing my hair, and what I did is just part the back of my head. I section it off and from the top, so I'm gonna sleep the back. I'm gonna sleep the back of my hair first, obviously. But for this, you're going to need this. Got to be freeze spray, the hair twister, and a comb. And y'all can just watch how I do it.
on the track. On the track. On the track.
So I have my hairpin, and I'm going to just put it in my braid. I braided my hair, and I'm going to wrap it around. From the bottom, wrap it from the bottom up.
On the track.
Put your head on my shoulder.